How to transform and present data, logged in Rapid into useful information, using RAPIDVision. By default, RAPIDVision can be launched from the AutomSoft program group. RAPIDVision's default authentication is admin, for both username and password. Click in the top left-hand corner to expand the default menu. Select Designer from the menu. In order to select a specific item, you must first select the node. You can search for an item by scrolling through the list of items, or you can search for a partial match on the specific item. Drag the item to the canvas. RAPIDVision will list the different widgets for displaying the item's data. In this example, we will select a chart. You can resize and reposition the widget on the canvas. You can choose what type of data to display in the chart. In our example, we will choose all data or the raw data. You can also choose the time period for which the data has been collected. In this example, we will select the data over the last hour. Select the Run Mode icon to perform the query and display the data back in a chart form. You can now save this template and use it again at some point in the future.